Now in this video we are going to start the next topic, that is HCF. We will learn about how to find out the HCF of a particular number. Now here HCF stands for highest common factor. Now highest common factor, you have to find the highest common factor. Now how you will find that? First of all, we have to understand the term common. Now suppose I take two numbers, say 6 and 4. Now first what I will do, I will find out the factors of 6 and 4. What will be the factors of 6 and 4? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now next is 4. The factors of 4 will be 1, 2 and 4. So here what are the things can you see common? You can see that 1 is common here, 2 is common here. So this common means that when two numbers are taken and the factors are written, and when the factors of the two numbers are same, so that is common. Now like this only we will find the common factors and then HCF, that is the highest common factor, we will find out. Now let's proceed. So in order to find out the highest common factor, we can apply two methods, that is prime factorization method, and other one is division method. So in the previous video we learned about the prime factorization method, that how we can find out the factors using the prime factorization method. So this could be done by two ways, that is factor tree method, and the other one was division method. So here don't get confused about this division method and this division method. See, the division method which is included under prime factorization method is different one, and here the division method which we will use to find out the HCF, that is the highest common factor of a particular number, is the different. Means this division method is different and this division method is different. You all know about how to find out the factors by using this division method and a factor tree method. So now by using this technique, that prime factorization method or division method, we will learn that how HCF can be taken out. So first we will start with prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So let's take the example, say 30 and 42. So what we have to do? We have to find out the factors of 30 and 42. Then after finding the factors of 30 and 42, we will find the HCF, that is the highest common factor. So we can find this with the help of either factor tree method. Suppose we are doing this with the help of factor tree method. So how it will be, factors will be find out, see, 2 into 15 we get 30, so I have written 2 here, 15 here. Now 2 cannot go further because it is a prime number, so we'll stop here only and then we'll move to 15. So here 15 can be comes in the table of 3 into 5. So now 2, 3 and 5, they all are prime numbers, so now it cannot be exceeded further. So here only we will stop and we will write the factors here. 30, the factors of 30 will be 2 into 3 into 5. Now next we will find out the factors of 42. 2, then here 21. Then again it will go further, 3, then 7. Now you know that since these are the prime numbers, it will not be further divided. So what we will do, we will write the factors here only. That is 2 into 3 into 7. Now here first what you have to do, here you have to see the common factors in 30 and 42. So here you can see 2 is the common factor here and 3 is the common factor here. Now how we will find out the HCF? We will write here HCF of 30 and 42 is equal to 2 into 3. Why? Because 2 is also common here, 3 is also common here. So 2 into 3, that is 6. So 6 is the highest common factor. So this is the method through which you can find out the HCF. Now if we talk about the division method. Now if we find out the HCF using this method, so the HCF should be same when we find out through division method also. So I will show you the same question with the help of division method. The HCF will be 6 only. So let's do. So how to proceed with the division method? See what in the division method, what you have to see, first you have to see that which among this is the greatest. So the greatest one you will write in the place of dividend. You all know that whenever we divide, the dividend is here written and the divisor which is dividing the number is written here. So we will start dividing. So 30, 1 ja 30, then 2, 1. Now here the question comes that what number will be here. Now it's little bit different. You have to do the common division only, but you have to remember that unless and until the remainder is 0, we have to go on dividing. Now here you got the remainder 12. Now what you will write here in place of dividend? This 30 will be written in the place of dividend. You will write 30 here. Now again you will divide by 12 this 30. So 12 to 24. You will get 6 here. Now again 6 become the divisor. Why? Because this is not the remainder here, we did not get 0. So again we will further continue. So 6 will become the divisor here and this 12 will be written here. We will write 12 here. Now again we all know in the table of 6, 12 comes. So 6 to 12. So here at last we got the remainder 0. Okay, here because it is totally getting divided, so remainder is here 0. So the HCF will be this one. HCF is equal to 6. So here also by division method also we got the same answer. By prime factorization method also we got the same answer. So this is the way you can find out the HCF of a particular number. Example we will see, that is, suppose say 12 and 8. So by the help of, first I will solve with the help of prime factorization method. So first I will take out the factors of 12. So here you can see the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now next we will move to 8. Here 2 into 4 is 8, so we write it here. Again 2 into 2 is 4, so write it here. Now again it can't be divided anymore, so we'll stop it here only because all are prime number. So the factors of 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2. Now here what we have to see according to, in order to find the HCF of a number, we will see that what are the common factors in 12 and 8 here. So here 2 is common, again 2 is common. So how we will write it? We will write HCF of 12 and 8 is 2 into 2, that is 4. So through prime factorization method we got 4. Now let's see that whether if we will get the same answer through division method also, then yes, it will be correct. So again let's see through division method, that is 12 and 8. Now what we have to do is see, we have to see the greatest number. So greatest number will be written in place of dividend and the smallest one will be written in place of divisor. So we will write it here. Now again we will go on dividing. Normal division we have to do. So we got here 4. Now what we have to do? In place of dividend, we have to bring this here and we will write 8. Now we all know 4 2s are 8. So remainder here we got is 0. So the HCF will be 4 here. So HCF of 12 and 8 is 4. So we got the same HCF. So if you have to find out the highest common factor, so you can use any of the method, either prime factorization method or division method, you will get the same answer. So this was all about HCF, that is highest common factor.